When it comes to growing your business, whether you're in the egg industry or any other industry, you really have to think about what is your brand and how are you protecting it. So today I'm going to really touch on trademarks specifically, but protecting your brand can be very important, especially if you're putting a lot of dollars behind it. Put money into marketing, you're getting brand recognition. It's important to protect that image. So in the egg industry, it's no different than any other. Um, Egg industry, there are many different companies we work with. We work with typically innovative, growing innovative companies, and we team with them to really build that strong legal foundation. And when it comes to that legal foundation, one of the pieces is IP, intellectual property. And intellectual property typically comprises trademarks, patents, copyrights, trade secret, and you typically want to have a strategy for all four of them, but it really depends on your business you're in itself. Some businesses have copyrights, some businesses have trademarks, some businesses have patents, some businesses have a combination of trade secrets, trademarks, and patents. So it really depends on your specific business. And one of the things we do is we figure out what is that strategy and how does it meet your business. Today, I'm really going to touch on the trademark aspect though. And the question I ask is, have you been investing marketing dollars into your brand? And if you have, protect those dollars. Trademark, relatively inexpensive insurance policy on your name. But if you're putting hundreds of thousands or tens of thousands of dollars into your marketing and you're building up that brand, protect it. And trademarks can be used as a sword or a shield. Sword in the capacity, hey, I'm growing my brand. I want to expand from Minnesota into North Dakota and down to Colorado and into Texas. So I want to protect that growth. I want to protect that expansion. So use it as a sword. Secondly, it can be used as a shield. Hey, for example, we're in North Dakota, we're in Fargo, North Dakota. I don't want to be intruded on by some company in Florida. I want to protect that brand so that someone out on the East Coast doesn't start using the brand and all of a sudden I have a cease and desist on in my inbox. So that's one of the ways you can use a trademark as a shield to keep out of disputes in the future. Now, I want to throw out a couple examples of trademarks. So these are just various examples. These happen to be Lego examples, but you see there's a word mark and a logo mark with color. And then in the bottom corner, there's a little Lego figure, and that's actually a 3D mark. So Lego marks can come in all shapes and sizes and forms, and it can be all sorts of different things, but it's a symbol that represents the source of a product or service. So if you're investing in building that brand recognition, protect it. Like I always say, IP is only as good as the business behind it. Make sure that your legal strategy, your trademark strategy matches your business plan. Like always, Tom Kading here, Fargo Patent and Business Law. Please feel free to reach out anytime. I would love to talk to you about your business and IP needs.